Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for checking back in. For those of you who are new, my name is Dave with Everything in Between. Just got through doing the blower motor, the Atlas blower motor. On to the next one. This is just a simple one. I'm just doing this just so it's out there, and I'm just gonna assemble it and sit on it and see how see how I feel about it. Basically, it's just a pneumatic roller seat with an air lift, and it goes from like 15 to 20 inches, 300-pound max, which is good because I'm in the mid 200s. Every time I get something, it says, "Oh, it's meant for 300, 350," and I sit on it or something, and it doesn't last long. So we'll see how it works out. All right, so that's nice. You don't have to put the wheels or anything together. It comes in 3 different bags. It comes with the base. You may want to get your wrench, your sockets, and just make sure these are tightened down. But here are your wheels. Looks like nylon type wheels. Nylon casters, 2.5-inch diameter. Your gas pump. Here's your seat. It's got a little cheap feel to it. But the great thing about something simple like this is that whenever this wears out, you can easily go to a fabric store like Joann Fabrics or any kind of fabric store, or anywhere where you can find like medium to high density foam and measure the thickness of this. It actually has maybe a 1/4 inch piece of wood in there. I would think it's wood. It looks like it's about a 1/4 inch, and then you have the foam on top. So measure the foam, measure it right now. That way, when you sit on it and stuff, even though you probably have a lot of extra fabric underneath this plate, measure the thickness. Get a marker or something and just mark it here on the bottom. Mark it on the bottom right here, just the thickness of the foam. That way, when this wears out, because if you're 300 pounds or over or heavier, you may wear this foam out after a while. It does feel like a medium density type foam, but you know, what do you expect for 25 bucks? You know, for this seat. So, but it does look pretty simple, and all you have to do is take these 4 screws off. And there's probably staples, obviously, to hold the fabric onto the wood. So whenever you take this piece off, you'll have to get a staple puller and pull the staples out. Take the cover off, put a new piece of foam, and just wrap it around. It does have seams there so that you can tell where the middle is or where the top. You have some seams right here. And staple it back down with a stapler. Put your plate back on there, screw it back in, and you'll be good to go. So just letting you know that for future, because I'm pretty sure that this will wear out pretty soon. Leave a comment. Hey, how long have you had it? How long has it lasted you? If you mind telling us your weight, how much do you weigh? Sorry, I was talking and the camera just cut off on me. So anyway, we got the base. We're just gonna stick I'm sure it's a hydraulic pump, so we just stick it in there. So it sits down like that, and just put the top on there, just like that. That's it. Hopefully you ain't got to put yours together. Mine already came together, and all right, let's put it down on the ground and let's see. Oh man, don't grab the post like that. Oh, it's got grease all over it. Also make sure after 6 months, a year, well, not even a year, but after 6 months, make sure this thing is still greasy. If not, go get you some grease, some just general grease, and just kind of lube the area. Sit down on it, go up and down, all right, and keep that lubed up. Don't let that dry up, especially in a garage where you have dust and everything flying. It can kind of, you know, get it all dried up and stuff. So be careful with that, and let's go sit down and see how it works. I'm scared. It looks like a kiddie seat. All right. This may be a little too small for me. I don't know. I just but it's actually holding me. Now, let's see. Alright, so that's 15 inches. Of course, I'm too low. Alright. That's 15 inches. It should go 15 to 20 inches. I'm 6 foot, so it's about a 90-degree angle here. So that's perfect for me. If you're 6'2", 6'3", your knees might be a little bit like this. So this is 15 inches, 6-footer. I'm in my mid 200s, alright? Now I'm about 260, well under the 350-pound weight limit. I think it's 350. Alright, and that's 20 inches, supposedly. We'll get a measure tape here in a second and make sure it's 15 and 20 at least. Alright, I'll come over here, mess with stuff. Over here. Alright. It's a little wobbly, just a little bit. Obviously, because the seat diameter is really small. But this is going to be perfect for my wife. Being out there messing with her plants and stuff like that. Though I will tell you, at the highest level, good luck reaching for, you know, now I got T-Rex arms. I don't know what my wingspan is, but good luck reaching for a tool. You have to go elevator down, get your tool, and then elevator up. But yeah, anyway, I don't want to make this video longer than what it should be. It's just a simple seat. It rolls good. It feels good. I mean, it is like a medium to high density foam. My butt is not hitting the board underneath it. And if I'm using it, it would be 20 minutes or less being on this thing. So it's not like it's an office chair and I want to be sitting on this thing for hours. So yeah, so far it works. I'll give you an update. I just wanted to put this video out there just for some video proof of kind of like when I took it out the box and, you know, started putting it in operation. And we'll see how long it lasts. I'll make another video if this thing does break on me, you know, or maybe update the description or something like that. But yeah. All right, so it's all the way up, and it's actually 19 and a half, not 20 inches. It's 19 and a half, which I guess is okay because 20 would have been a little bit higher. Well, I don't know. Maybe good, maybe bad. So the lowest point is actually 15. What we can do is we can do something like this. Now that's 15. So it is 15, but it goes up to 19 and a half. Yours may go up to 20, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna wait till my wife gets home and have her check it out, and you know, hopefully it's good enough for her. It's only 25 bucks. I got it on sale, or 24 or something, 25 bucks at the time of this recording, and not a bad deal for a little chair, for a little, you know, little projects that you don't want to be bending over for long periods of time. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, as always, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you ever you know, have enough time or you have the need, and share this video, and leave a comment down below. You guys have one of these? Do you like it? Did it last a month? Did it last a year? Are you still using it after 5 years? You know, let everybody know what you feel about this this seat. I'll leave the description or the item number somewhere on the screen. Hope you're having a good day doing whatever it is you do, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.